TinyML is enabling all kinds of new use cases on ARM-based microcontrollers. You could recognize sounds, recognize gestures, and detect anomalies in smart equipment. All of this can now be done in low-power, inexpensive microcontrollers. So how do you build a product that does that? Join us for our webinar on January 26th to learn more. We'll cover how to use AI to select the best sensors for your use case, how to optimize sensor placement, how to generate minimum component specifications, reduce the cost of data collection, and build a model that runs on an inexpensive MCU. We'll do all of this using world-class AI software from RealityAI. January 26th, 4 p.m. London time. We'll see you there.